Ladakh. Land of Lamas Ladakh. The erstwhile Buddhist kingdom is spectacularly jagged, arid mountains, dramatically crowned rocky outcrops, picturesque gompas, meditational many walls, and multi-hued flags are few of the many sights that exemplify the beauty of Ladakh. The well-balanced traditional society of Ladakh has much to offer in terms of ecological awareness. Situated at an elevation of 2750 to 7672 meters above sea level, Ladakh is indeed blessed with incredible topography that comprises of hilly terrains, high-altitude peaks, and the lush green grasslands. Ladakh is the highest plateau in India, with most of it being over 3000 meters, 9800 feet. It extends from the Himalayan to the Kunlun ranges, Changtang region. Changtang is a part of the high-altitude Tibetan plateau in the southeastern part of Ladakh, with vast highlands and giant lakes. The people of the Changtang are semi-nomadic pastoralists. They are known as Changpa or Champa. The Changpa of Ladakh raise mainly sheep, yaks, goats and horses. Unlike many other nomadic pastoralists, the Changpa move shorter distances in many cases, in the range of about 10 to 40 miles. Migratory routes are established and followed year after year, staying in the same encampments each year. The Changpas rear the highly pedigreed and prized Changra goats, Capra hircus, that yield the rare Pashmina cashmere fiber apart from the hide, pelt, meat and milk. The mighty yak is also an indispensable animal for the nomads. The female yak produces milk all year round, and yaks are the principal animal for facilitating transportation. The tribe's days begin at dawn. By 7 every morning, with a packed lunch strapped to their shoulders, they took their herd for grazing. The sheepdogs guard the front flank of the herd, mostly against the Himalayan wolf. By dusk, the shepherds begin to return home, and the place suddenly comes to life. The Changpa Mastiff or Chonki is an ancient breed and type of large Tibetan dog breed originating with nomadic cultures of Ladakh. The breed is widely used by local Changpas to protect their sheep from wild animals like wolf, leopard, etc. The Changpa Mastiff or Tibetan Mastiff, also known as Diokeki, translated as nomad dog, reflects its use as a guardian of herds, livestock of nomads, flocks, tents, villages and monasteries. The origin of the dog lies in Ladakh, India. It has been bred by the tribes for the purpose of guarding their flocks of goats, sheep and cattle, along with their houses from centuries. Chunky, native dog of Ladakh, are large dogs known for their noble, diligent, loyal, and highly intelligent dispositions. They are characterized by a streamlined, athletic build that makes them both strong and agile. They are excellent herding dogs. It is an agile and a sturdy breed. A typical mountain dog with a furry coat and plumy tail that gives it a majestic look. The dog does not require much care, training, and attention, but are very loyal and affectionate to owner. It is an instinctive herder with seemingly limitless energy. Conservation and breed registration is being carried out by National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, has taken up task to register the native dogs of Ladakh. And for this, information related to morphometric data and other information related to dogs has been collected.